So we know you two have a problem with your house.
The house is too small. The kids are getting bigger, they're getting older, their friends are over. Family space isn't all there for all of us to fit.
When we moved here, the kids were young, and the intention was this was supposed to be our forever house.
Yeah, but that's why we're here. We're gonna help you guys solve this problem.
Let me see if I get this clear. You 100% want to stay. You want to get out of here.
Yes.
Let's look at that basement.
Guys, come on down. There's lots of room down here. We've got a fair amount of storage.
Yeah, it's good stuff.
We're
nice.
set with a, you know, throw a bathroom right in here.
It's unfinished.
Really well built. What is here is built really well.
I took a renovation course on basements and how to do a basement. What I learned, if you want it done right, you've got to have it done by a professional.
Or you just need to get a house that already has a finished basement.
You can get everything you want down here. This is beautiful.
I think you're right.
Looks like we got lots to talk about.
You know, I'm not totally against moving. Josie's shown me some really nice open houses, but I really think that, you know, that solutions really are in this house.
I'm not completely against renovating. I'm just tired of waiting. I want to see some action.
I understand. As a realtor, I get that a lot.
But there's another option I know you guys have already considered. Reno.
I've worked with a lot of unfinished basements. It's an easy space to design.
Okay, Josie, what would I have to do to that basement to convince you to stay?
Having a rec room for the girls to hang out in would be ideal. A bathroom, so that the girls don't have to share upstairs.
I have a large music and book collection, so I would love a separate sitting area to sit and enjoy my music and
Right
read.
on.
And I think also it would be really cool to have a wet bar down there as well.
What would be your budget, guys?
I guess 45 grand is our upper limit.
$45,000 sounds like a lot of money, guys, but there's a lot of stuff to do there. And when you guys decide that renovation is the way to go, you're gonna have the best basement in the city, guaranteed.
I'm gonna find you guys a house that solves all of your problems in a heartbeat. If you do choose to sell and move, I'm gonna show you guys all of the options so that you will be spoiled for choice.
Awesome. Let's
Okay.
go check
Cool,
it
let's
out.
do it.
All right, we don't need to bother with the renovation. I can get everything they want within the money.
Is they get a perfect custom home, exactly what they need, one time, sure shot, no problem. If I do that, Ish ain't moving, and we're done.
Ish doesn't want to move, I realize that, but at the end of the day, women buy houses, and I have Josie firmly in my corner.
If I get this thing done for 45, he ain't moving.
Yeah.
You know it.
Bye-bye. While Robin's drawing up a rental plan, I get the first shot at convincing them real estate is the way to go. I chose this house for you because it's in your neighborhood and it has all the space that you need. Here it is.
Beautiful. Wow, look at this island.
Your house feels really cramped. This has all of the open space that you need.
This is really, really nice.
Let's go upstairs. This is similar to Sophia's room.
And it's huge. Main floor bathroom.
Nice. But it only has a single sink.
And here's another bedroom.
Are you kidding me?
It is completely finished. Down here, we have a roughed-in bathroom.
Not finished yet?
Not finished yet, but for about $10,000, you can have your fourth bathroom. You two also wanted a wet bar downstairs, so I did you one better. This basement has a full-size kitchen. This space is perfect for those big dinners that you guys were talking about when all the kids and all the family is here. Look at this space.
I think you've really, truly given us a lot of food for thought. Better be
I'm
good.
gonna show you from this perspective.
Okay.
Guys, this is how you take advantage of this unused basement to solve your space issues upstairs. Check out my virtual reality design plan. Your dark, empty basement will be transformed.
That's this basement.
That's this basement. First thing we're gonna do is a 3-piece bathroom right over there.
Perfect.
Here,
Nice.
right where we're standing now,
Yeah.
seating area, big TV.
A comfortable private spot for the girls to watch TV and have their friends over.
Thank God. That
Yeah.
TV's out of my life up there.
Got your space reclaimed for living.
Now behind that, we've got a wet bar with counter space for the girls to do their homework. And under the counter, there'll be plenty of storage. And in the corner, a cozy reading nook for you guys to chill out.
We can do this for $45,000.
Really?
Plus, we get an increase in square footage of 33%. You've got a 33% bigger house. I'm super excited about this for you guys.
Well, I'm not going to get too excited yet.
I
It
think what
looks
you need
great
to-
on paper.
Well, you
just
have
need
to
to see.
envision it.
This is gonna be the way.
I think it's amazing.
You guys have a little man-to-man moment. I'm going to go. See ya.
Are you kidding me?